Every time you open a mobile app, check the weather, or log into a website, something important happens behind the scenes. Your device sends a request to another system somewhere on the internet. And the technology that makes this communication possible is called an API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. In simple terms, an API is a messenger that allows two different software systems to talk to each other. Instead of accessing a database directly, an application sends a request to an API, and the API returns the information it needs. Think of an API like a waiter in a restaurant. You place an order with the waiter. The waiter takes that request to the kitchen. The kitchen prepares the food and sends it back. The waiter delivers the result to you. In this analogy, the waiter is the API. Here's what typically happens when an API is used. First, a user performs an action in an app. For example, checking the weather. Second, the application sends a request to an API using a web protocol like HTTP. Third, the API communicates with the server or database to retrieve the required data. Finally, the API sends a response back to the application. AP is power. Many of the digital services we use every day. When you log in using Google, you're using an authentication API. When an app processes payments, it might use a payment API like Stripe. APs allow developers to reuse powerful services without building everything from scratch. APs are essential for modern software development. They allow systems to communicate efficiently. They make it easier to integrate different platforms, and they help developers build complex applications faster. From mobile apps to cloud platforms, APs are the invisible connectors powering the modern internet. Every time apps communicate, share data, or work together behind the scenes, an API is making it possible.